Hey, it's Robert here from empoweredlife.tv. Hope you're having a spectacular day wherever you are in the world. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about how to use Theta Brain Waves for visualization. Now, we talk an awful lot about getting into the alpha state. Well, let's talk about how you can get a little bit deeper than alpha and get into theta and really accelerate things even more when it comes to manifesting that which you want to show up in your physical reality. Now, I've listed down a number of things because I don't want to miss anything, and I will read out the points as I've put them down, and then I'm going to embellish if and when necessary so that I can deepen the learning for you guys as well. So, are you ready? Okay, let's get stuck in. So, using theta brainwaves for visualization can be a powerful tool to enhance your creative and manifesting abilities. Theta brainwaves are associated with deep relaxation, creativity, and the subconscious mind. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to use theta brainwaves for visualization. Hopefully you've got a pen and a piece of paper ready to jot these down. Here we go. Number one, firstly, understand theta brainwaves. Theta brainwaves have a frequency of 4 to 8 hertz and are typically associated with deep relaxation, meditation, and the dream state. They're also connected to the subconscious mind where beliefs and memories are stored. Now, the easy way for you to remember this bit is that really it's the dream state. It's where we are when we finally sink into that level of sleep where we start to dream. That is when we know, we have a little fly accompanying us here. That's when we know that we're in the theta stage. That's the theta level. That's where we are in terms of brain waves. So, moving on. Number two, create a relaxing environment. So find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights, eliminate distractions, and sit or lie down in a relaxed position. You'll know from every other video I've ever made when I talk about meditation and when I talk about reconnecting with who you are and aligning yourself spiritually, you have to go into the silent. You have to seek a quiet place away from all external distractions so that you can really connect. It's no different here. Number three, choose a visualization goal. So go into this with an outcome in mind, a goal in mind. Okay, decide what you want to visualize or manifest. It could be a specific goal like achieving success in a project, improving your health, or manifesting positive relationships. As always, get some clarity. It's important to have clarity about what it is that you want to focus on before you go into this. Number four, meditation and deep breathing. Start with a brief meditation to calm your mind. Take slow, deep breaths to help shift your brain into theta state. You can count your breaths to focus your mind. Now, counting your breaths is a really good thing to do because what it means is if you're focusing on the count, then you are unable really to be distracted by other thoughts and other things happening externally to you because your primary focus is on counting. So it's a good idea to do that. Number five, progressive relaxation. To deepen your relaxation, consider doing progressive relaxation exercises like you can focus on each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head, releasing tension and allowing yourself to become more and more relaxed. Now, the way I tend to do this is I imagine myself laying on a really hot beach with the sun beating down, and I imagine that my toes are just about touching the water's edge, but the tide is coming in and gradually the water goes further and further up my legs, around my waist, up around my chest, up around my neck, and as it goes I'm relaxing more and more. I can imagine the warmth of the water and how it soothes me and relaxes me and makes me feel comfortable. And that takes me into a much, much deeper level of consciousness. Okay, so number 6, theta brainwave entrainment. To enhance the production of theta brainwaves, you can use brainwave entrainment techniques. Now, this involves listening to audio tracks designed to stimulate theta brainwave activity. Binaural beats and isochronic tones are common methods for achieving this state. You see it all over the place. Subliminal learning, subliminal meditations, stuff that you can put on, close your eyes and let the actual recording, the audio, reprogram your mind. Well, it's a very powerful thing to do. Where are we to? Number 7, visualize your goal. With your mind in a relaxed and receptive state, if you've done everything I've mentioned now and you're really, really in the groove as far as being totally relaxed and at one with yourself, then what you need to do is really, really start to visualize the goal that you went in with. Imagine it as if it's already happened or is happening. Use all of your senses to make the visualization as vivid as possible, and feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. Remember, it's a feeling universe. Emotions and feelings are the catalyst to help you manifest. It accelerates everything. So it's not enough just to picture something. You really need to attach emotion, step into that picture and really feel as if it's actually happened or is happening. Feel how you would feel if that were the case. And the feeling and the emotion attached to it will catapult you forward towards that which you want to manifest in your physical reality. So, positive affirmations, they always play a part. Number 8, while in this state, repeat positive affirmations related to your goal. These affirmations should be in the present tense, as if you've already achieved what you desire. For example, I am successful and confident. You are really, really impressionable when you're in this state. Your subconscious mind is listening intently to everything. It never questions anything you say. So feed it stuff that is going to reinforce who you want to be and that which you want to manifest. You will have more of an impression on your subconscious mind in this state than you will normally. So make the most of it. Number 9. Stay relaxed and focused. Maintain your deep relaxation and focus on your visualization for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Don't rush the process. Allow yourself to sink into theta state. Now here's the thing. If you go into this scenario, this meditation, with one eye on the clock, it ain't going to work. Go into this having allocated some time that you can afford to dedicate to you. Because if you go into it with an agenda ticking away in the back of your mind, you are not going to be able to fully detach yourself from your external environment and relax fully into the meditation. In other words, you'll get nowhere near theta state, okay? You will not get near it. You have to be committed to have a block of time that is dedicated just to you. And for that block of time, you are the most important thing. You're always the most important thing. But I want you to make sure that you make you the priority in your life for that dedicated period of time. Then this stuff will work for you. Number 10, express gratitude. Extremely important. Maintain your deep relaxation, but express gratitude while you're there. As you're finishing your visualization, express gratitude for the realization of your goal. So really you're saying thanks for that goal being realized in your life. It's already happened, or it's in the process of happening, and you're extremely grateful for that, and you're saying thanks for that. It's as simple as that, really. Feel thankful as if it's already happened. It's crucial. Not that it's on the way. It's either happening or it's happened. Okay? It's in the process. This positive energy can further enhance the manifestation process. It really is like putting things on steroids. Again, remember, your subconscious mind is consciously listening to you. Constantly, not consciously. Constantly listening to you. So everything you feed it, every thought, everything you suggest to it, it will take as the truth. So be grateful for something showing up, and it will show up. Simple as that. Number 11, return to normal awareness. Slowly bring yourself back to your normal waking state when you're done. Okay, you can do this by counting up from 1 to 5, with each number increasing your alertness. When you reach 5, open your eyes and return to your day. And number 12, take inspired action. Remember, attraction, 10 letters, 6 of which make up the word action. Without action, there is no attraction. You must take action. After your visualization, be open to taking inspired action toward your goal. Now let's talk about inspired. Inspiration. In spirit. Take action that you've been guided to take by your inner conscious mind, your subconscious. Because that is the path you should take. Your subconscious mind will never confuse everything with logic. Okay? Logic is always going to confuse things. You'll overthink things, you'll get confused, you'll lose track of where you're going. But your gut has not evolved to a place where it confuses everything with logic. So trust your gut and move forward that way and take action in the direction of the spiritual nudge that you will get. Your subconscious mind is more receptive after this, and you may find as a result also new opportunities and ideas that will come forth purely and simply because you've opened that channel and you're more receptive, and you're not trying to think your way through every issue. You're not trying to think your way from where you are to where you want to be. You're now feeling. And when you feel, when you get that feeling from within, that's the path you should follow. So if you repeat this visualization exercise regularly, preferably daily or as often as needed to harness the power of theta brain waves for manifesting your desires, over time you're going to find that your ability to manifest your goals and desires improves as you tap into your subconscious mind's creative potential. It's like any muscle, you need to work it. It's an extremely powerful tool, but you need to know how to work it so that it works for you long term, exactly the way you want it to. Now, I've always spoken about people who have habits that they want to change, belief systems that they want to reprogram, would normally take 30 to 90 days minimum. Some can do it less, unusually, but some take a lot longer. It really depends on how long you've lived with the limiting belief, how deeply embedded in your psyche, in your subconscious it is. Really, how big a part of you it is. But it's the same with this. You need to go into it with a degree of commitment. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to keep doing this without question until I start to see it produce the results I desire in my life. If you can do that and you can stick to that commitment, then this stuff works big time. In fact, it works so well that one of these fine days, if I get enough people comment on this video asking for some training on it, I may actually do at some point a live session where we'll all do this exercise together. There's an awful lot of power in a group, and I think I'd like to do that if there's enough people that would be interested in actually being involved in that. It would be completely free. It would just be show up, get involved, and feel the energy. It's a tremendously powerful thing to do, and it brings an awful lot of people together. It gives you that sense that you're not here on this planet on your own. We're all connected. And when you get a group of people, like-minded people together, going through something like this, you can really feel that connection. You really know that you are a small part of a huge, huge universal consciousness. We are all just part of Source. And you get a real sense of that when you pull together in a session like that. So if you like something like that to happen, please do, like the video, comment, and let me know that you would be interested in taking part if I do a free session such as the one I've just mentioned. And it'd be great to have you along, and I'll keep you notified when it happens. Also, as I say, like the video before I forget all this stuff. Subscribe to the channel. Why not? If you're enjoying the stuff, keep coming back, because I'm here every week. And click the bell icon for notifications so you get notified each and every time I do one of these videos. And moreover, if you love all things personal development and spiritual alignment, why not get across to empoweredlife.tv, empoweredlife.tv, and join the family over there, and let's continue the journey over there too. It'd be great to get to know you better. That's it from me. It's been a long one, this, but I've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time. Namaste.